53, okay. What does he do?
At work, he's a salesperson. But he's like kind of a D-bag.
Anything for a sale.
Well, not just that, but he like makes bets and stuff, and then to get a certain amount of sales, and then he doesn't, like, he's on Mike's team, and then he doesn't do anything, so they end up losing the bet. It just makes Mike mad. So I guess the other day they won pizza, and because they were playing ping pong or something, and they made a bet, and Stock was like, "Oh, let's go for double or nothing." And Mike's like, "No, I don't want to go double or nothing. I want pizza. We're fine with pizza. Just leave it." And then they went double or nothing, and